Welcome to this guide on bull markets versus bear markets. In the world of cryptocurrency trading, understanding market cycles is absolutely crucial for making informed investment decisions. These two market conditions represent opposite forces that drive price movements and investor behavior. Throughout this video, we'll explore what these terms mean, how to identify them, and how to navigate each phase successfully. A bull market is a period of sustained upward price movement where investor confidence is high and buying pressure dominates the market. Think of a bull thrusting its horns upward. That's exactly how prices move during this phase. The key characteristics include rising prices across the board, strong demand from buyers, positive market sentiment, and high trading volume as more participants enter the market. During a bull market, optimism spreads, and investors are eager to buy and hold assets, expecting further gains. In contrast, a bear market is a period of sustained downward price movement where investor pessimism prevails and selling pressure dominates. Imagine a bear swiping its paws downward. This represents the falling prices characteristic of this phase. Bear markets feature falling prices, weak demand as buyers step back, negative sentiment fueled by fear and uncertainty, and lower trading volume as participants exit positions. During bear markets, panic often sets in, and many investors rush to sell their holdings to avoid further losses. Every market moves through four distinct phases that repeat in cycles. First is accumulation, where smart money enters after prices have declined. Next comes the markup phase, where prices rise and the bull market begins in earnest. Third is distribution, where experienced investors exit their positions at peak prices. Finally, the markdown phase brings falling prices and the bear market takes hold. Understanding these phases helps traders anticipate market movements and position themselves strategically for each stage of the cycle. The accumulation phase occurs when the market bottoms out after a prolonged decline. This is when experienced investors recognize value and begin buying, while the overall sentiment remains pessimistic. Prices are low, trading volume is subdued, and fear and uncertainty dominate the market psychology. Most retail investors have already exited, often at a loss. Meanwhile, smart money quietly accumulates positions, preparing for the next bull run. This phase requires patience and courage, as you're buying when everyone else is fearful. The markup phase is where the bull market truly emerges. Prices begin rising consistently, investor confidence returns, and mainstream participants start joining the rally. This phase features strong upward momentum, increasing trading volume as more buyers enter, and a shift from pessimism to optimism and eventually greed. Media coverage intensifies, drawing even more attention to the market. This is typically the longest phase of the cycle, where patient investors who accumulated early see their positions grow substantially in value. Distribution occurs when the market reaches its peak and euphoria takes over. Prices plateau near all-time highs, and extreme optimism and greed dominate investor psychology. This is when smart money begins selling their positions to late buyers who are chasing the highs. Warning signs appear, such as excessive leverage, unrealistic price predictions, and mainstream media hype. However, most retail investors ignore these signals, believing prices will continue rising forever. Recognizing this phase is critical for protecting your profits. The markdown phase is where the bear market takes full effect. Prices decline sharply and persistently, fear replaces greed, and panic selling occurs as investors rush for the exits. This phase features sustained downward pressure, capitulation events where even long-term holders give up, and late sellers exiting at significant losses. Eventually, prices reach levels that attract value investors once again, and the cycle prepares to restart with a new accumulation phase. Understanding that this is part of a natural cycle helps traders maintain perspective. Let's compare the key differences between bull and bear markets side by side. Bull markets feature rising asset prices, high investor confidence, strong buying pressure, and a positive economic outlook that drives continued investment. Bear markets, on the other hand, are characterized by falling asset prices, low investor confidence bordering on fear, strong selling pressure as participants exit, and a negative economic outlook that discourages new investment. Recognizing which market you're in helps you adjust your strategy accordingly and avoid costly mistakes. Cryptocurrency markets have unique characteristics that set them apart from traditional financial markets. First, they experience extremely high volatility with price swings that can be dramatic and sudden. Second, crypto markets operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, creating constant price action without traditional market closures. Third, bull and bear cycles often complete much faster than in traditional assets, sometimes within months rather than years. Finally, crypto markets are heavily sentiment-driven, with news, regulations, and social media having an outsized influence on price movements. Successful traders adapt their strategies to each market phase. During accumulation, the strategy is to buy when fear is high and prices are low, positioning yourself for the next bull run. In bull markets, hold your positions, consider taking partial profits along the way, and ride the upward trend without exiting too early. During distribution, gradually exit your positions and secure profits before the inevitable downturn begins. In bear markets, the priority is preserving capital by staying in stablecoins, sitting on the sidelines, or if you're experienced, potentially shorting the market. Remember, the key to long-term success is recognizing which phase you're in and acting accordingly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.